If you're trying to lose fat for the very first time, you've probably seen thousands of videos telling you to cut carbs, do endless cardio, or buy expensive supplements. The truth is much simpler. You don't need a perfect diet or a fancy gym membership. You only need a few habits that you can stick to consistently. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you the beginner's roadmap to losing fat the healthy and sustainable way. Let's get started. Part 1. Understand what fat loss really is. Before anything else, let's clear up one misconception. Weight loss and fat loss are not the same thing. Weight includes water, muscle, and fat. Fat loss means reducing body fat while keeping as much muscle as possible. The key is eating slightly fewer calories than your body burns each day. This is called a calorie deficit. A small deficit is enough. You don't need to starve yourself. Aim to lose about 0.25 to 1 kilogram per week for steady, sustainable progress. Part 2. Build a beginner-friendly diet. Forget complicated meal plans. A simple healthy plate looks like this. Half your plate, vegetables. 1/4, lean protein like eggs, chicken, fish, or beans. 1/4, rice, potatoes, or whole grains. Protein is especially important because it keeps you full and helps protect your muscles while losing fat. Instead of drinking sugary sodas or juices every day, choose water most of the time. Those liquid calories add up quickly. Remember, you don't have to eat perfectly. You just have to eat better more often. Part 3. Start exercising the smart way. As a beginner, you don't need to train 7 days a week. Start with 3 to 4 workouts weekly. A simple routine could be: Day 1, full body strength. Day 2, walk or rest. Day 3, full body strength. Day 4, walk. Day 5, full body strength. Focus on basic exercises like squats, push-ups, lunges, planks, and rows. As you get stronger, gradually increase the repetitions or resistance. Consistency beats intensity every time. Part 4. Move more outside the gym. Exercise is important, but daily movement matters too. Walk whenever possible, park farther away, take the stairs, or go for a 30-minute walk after dinner. Try reaching 8,000 to 10,000 steps each day. It's one of the easiest ways beginners can increase calorie burn without feeling overwhelmed. Small movements throughout the day create big results over time. Part 5. Track progress correctly. Don't judge your progress by the scale alone. Instead, track these 4 things. Your waist measurement. Progress photos. Body weight once a week. How your clothes fit. Sometimes the scale stays the same while your waist gets smaller because you're losing fat and gaining muscle. Trust the trend, not a single day. Fat loss doesn't begin with motivation, it begins with habits. Eat slightly less, prioritize protein, strength train, walk daily, and be patient. Start today, stay consistent, and you'll be amazed at how much your body can change in just a few months. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.